Hey guys, in this video I will unboxing MacBook Air 11 inch, early 2014. This is the Maxspect model, so let's take a look. On the back we can see the specs. It comes with 8 GB of DDR with 512 GB of SSD and 1.7 i7 Haswell processor. So let's take a look inside the box. As we can see on the top of the MacBook Air, we see nice sticker. This doesn't come included in box, I buy it by myself so you know it. Of course in the box we get paperwork, the user guide, how to set up your Mac and how to use it. Also which apps come included with MacBook Air so you know it how to use them. Also we get Apple stickers of course. By the way, this 11-inch model was launched original with OS X 10.9.2 and it supported all up to High Sierra. It also comes with AirDrop, Sport, Handoff, Power Nap, and you can also use your Apple Watch to unlock it. This is how the paperwork of Apple looks. If you like it, enjoy it. If you don't, just skip a little bit. I will be back in a few seconds. Alright, next we get European adapter. You have different adapters. It depends in which country you are living. If you are American or Britain, you have different adapters of course. Next we get extension cable, and as always we get power supply. This is 45-watt power supply with MagSafe 2. It's magnetic, it's really clever design. Also when you are charging MacBook, it's have a little light indicator so you know it when it's charging, and it will be green if the charging is done. So that's really clever also, so you can always know if your MacBook is fully loaded and if it's charging or not. So that's really clever design and I really actually like that. Also on the back of the power supply we have cable management, so if you want to carry around and you really want to have everything organized, it's really handy for that. Now let's take a look MacBook Air a little closer. On the left we got charging port, USB 3.0, headphone jack, and we got 2 microphones. On the back we got ventilation port and that's it. On the right we got USB 2.0 and 1 Thunderbolt 2 port. On the front of MacBook we got a little notch. This allows us to lift the screen up easily. Little advice here, these MacBook Airs aren't upgradable. You can only upgrade the storage, but if you want more RAM, that's something to think about before you buy them. On the top we got HD 720p webcam for FaceTiming. We got a little smaller trackpad than the regular 13-inch MacBook Air, but we get full-size backlight keyboard. Now it's time to start the MacBook and see in action. I will reboot the MacBook so we can see how fast will it start and shut down. Also I will show you later in the video how to protect your MacBook Air from damage and one of the coolest looking case. So don't go anywhere, just stay here and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like my videos and turn on the notification center so you will not miss any upcoming videos.